This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Surprise Sunday, and in this video, I have for you another beauty mystery box from Kelz Nailjoy. Guys, I am addicted to getting these from her. You just get such a great bang for your buck that I have to keep getting them. I just can't stop myself. So I got a special discount offer, like how eBay sellers send special discounts out to people. I got a discounted offer to get a box for $7.99 instead of the $9.99 price. So I jumped on it. So here we are. I have another one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, guys. So here's my box. Cute little box this time. Let's pop it open. Oh, so cute. Here's what it looks like when I popped it open. Oh, this thank you is so pretty. Look at that. So it says right here, thank you. I hope you enjoy your purchase from Kelz Nailjoy. If you loved what you received today, please check us out online for more great items you may enjoy. Their website is www.kelznailjoy.com. Definitely check them out, guys. Love their little store as well as their eBay store. And this says hi. How cute. Love it. All right, so here's what it looks like when I pop it open. It has a cute little beauty box sticker on it. Let's pop her open, guys. This is new. Look at this. She put this in there. Love it. What does it say? It says, thank you for your purchase of our mystery beauty box. I hope you are happy with your purchase. Super cute. These ones are a little different. The other ones were a little bit bigger in the bigger boxes, but guys, this thing is full. Let's dig in. Okay, so we have a super cute clip that actually matches what I have on right now. I'm going to take it out of its little packaging so that you guys can see it without glare. Look at that. So cute. Love it. Love it. I actually have a couple like this, but not this color. Awesome. Now I have this one, this color. Okay, what do we got here? A facial konjac sponge. Naturally removes excess oils to refresh and cleanse the skin. So it's a 100% natural vegetable fiber. There you go. That's really cool. Okay, try it out. Why not? If I don't want to try it out, I'll pass it off to somebody who would love to try that out. Oh my God, this thing is full. I say that every time, but it's so full. She does such a great job, guys. You got to get these boxes. I will link her store in the description box below. Okay, so this is a Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. Love to take the day off. Look at that, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's jump into the next one. Oh my God. Those match what I have on right now. Okay, so these are lip tubes by Coastal Scents. Lip tubes. All right, lip tubes lip gloss. All right, how many times am I going to say all right and lip tubes? Did you guys like clock it? I'm just saying. All right, awesome. So we have that. Then we have Coastal Scents Express Line Cosmetic Pencil. All right, guys, I am probably, no, I can't because that's a film. Oh, okay. Never mind. I was gonna like swatcheroo it, but I can't because I want to film a short video of this for Instagram. So yeah, that's not gonna happen. Sorry, guys. All right, let's just move on. So we have a Bondi Boost Intensive Spray, Salon Professional. But what is it? Ready for your hair venture. Oh, this is concentrated leave-in formula. Contains the superstar ingredient vitamin B5. All right. Peppermint and tea tree essential oil. Lightweight and non-greasy. All right. So this is for your hair, guys. I wasn't sure what it was for because it doesn't really let you know on the front here, but if you read the back, it is for your hair. Awesome. I will definitely use that. Okay. So we got some, what are those things called? Those peel and stick thingies, those like stickers for your fingernails. Awesome. Ooh, we have a whole how-to. All right, so we got this color here. Ooh, are you guys getting that? Okay, maybe come back a little bit. Looks a little bit better. Super pretty and glittery, and they match what I have on right now. I'm just saying, it's so awesome. Okay, and the next one. Ooh, this one's super fun. Super, super fun. Is this? Awesome, guys. I love this. Okay, so it's so funny because I clearly have nothing on my nails right now because I actually ripped off all my nails before I started filming. And I might try those instead of putting my fake nails back on. We'll see how it goes. I mean, why not? I got them in the box. Why not try it? Okay, so now we have a Laura Geller Cinnamon Spice and Spice palettes. What? Look at that, guys. Alrighty. Let's see. We got to open her up because you guys got to see what's in there, right? Okay. Here's what it looks like when I opened up the packaging. So nice. Let's open her up. Oh, the thingy fell, but that's okay. There is a mirror. So we'll block that out because lots of pinks. but some like deeper colors. This is a very pretty palette. I know somebody that would love this palette though. Super pretty. Lots of pinks in there. So that's nice. Okay, that's a super pretty palette. Okay, so we got that. Guys, again, this is $9.99 and then you pay $4.65 for shipping. So it comes out to about $15 total for this box of goodies that is chock full of stuff. Okay, let's finish out the last couple of things. We have a hydrating aloe 2-pack sheet mask. These are Freeman ones. Here you go. Awesome, awesome. And a cute little bag is the finale. How cute is this? It's like studded and it is an Ipsy glam bag. There you go, guys. That is going to finish this out. Has the little Ipsy logo on the back there. I'll open her up. Here's what it looks like inside. Nice pop of fluorescent green. Hello, guys. She kills it with these boxes. I'm addicted to getting them from her because, like I said, I am starting to prepare my Christmas friend mail. As crazy as that sounds, that's what I'm starting to do. And a lot of these items that I know that I won't use, I am going to include in that Christmas friend mail. So, you know, I'm just starting early. Just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Again, if you are interested in getting any of her mystery boxes on eBay, I will link her eBay store below, as well as the Kelz Mail Joy website. That's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! I don't know how I want to start this. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, guys, so that almost took out the camera. Let's try her again. Okay, guys, so why can't I get this right? I felt like I was too far back because I didn't want to hit the camera. Try her again.